Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for one more reason to love chocolate, I've got it right here. This is the Modern Mountain Black Cocoa Powder, and let me tell you, this is amazing. If you have ever eaten an Oreo cookie, then you have had black cocoa powder. That is what gives it such a unique, distinct flavor, and also that super dark, almost black color. Like all Dutch processed cocoa powder, this black cocoa powder is treated with an alkalizing solution, and that helps to reduce the acidity and the bitterness and really bring out that delicious chocolatey flavor. This is done to a further degree though, and that's why the color is so dark and that flavor is so rich and mellow and just has an incredible full-bodied flavor. I really wanted to taste the difference between black cocoa powder and a regular cocoa powder, so I made two identical pans of brownies, same recipe, same ingredients, except for the difference in the cocoa powder. You can clearly see the color difference in these. That color is so deep and beautiful, and the flavor is so amazing as well. It is a really unique and very distinct flavor. The regular cocoa powder definitely has a more acidic note to it, and while being delicious, I actually really preferred the black cocoa powder. The flavor to me is much more chocolate forward, and it just has a really nice richness to it and velvety smooth texture that I am now obsessed with. You can substitute it 1-to-1 for a Dutch processed cocoa powder, or you can add it at a different ratio if you want a little bit of both to really bring out different notes of the chocolate. So you really can't go wrong with this very high quality cocoa powder from Modern Mountain. The flavor is so unique, so rich, and truly decadent, and that is my point of view.